Well, hello there. My name is Floof, and yes, I am a cat. Meow. Today I'm going to go over the top 10 most beautiful and adorable cat breeds in the world. Besides me, of course.
Number 10.
Coming in at number 10, we have the British Shorthair, one of the most ancient cat breeds in the world. Of course, it was imported to Britain, and it was imported from Egypt in the 1st century AD. They were, of course, affectionate and calm. They also get along with other people and other pets.
Number 9.
Coming in at number 9 is the exotic shorthair, known as the short-haired Persian. It has the same body as the Persian breed, but with a flat face. The breed was developed in 1950 by crossing a Persian cat with short hair. Now, it doesn't need constant grooming like the Persian cats, but it is also very affectionate and playful. But it is also very demanding.
Number 8.
Now, coming in at number 8 is the Scottish Fold. Now, they are known for their unique ears that was caused by a gene mutation that caused the ears to bend downward. Now, they are both a long hair and a short hair. Their coats have a variety of colors, and they are very playful and very affectionate.
Number 7.
Now, coming in at number 7 is the Abyssinian cat. It was named after Ethiopia, which was where it was thought to have originated. It has a strong resemblance to the sacred cat of ancient Egypt. It is very intelligent, active, and playful. It is very easy to train as well.
Number 6.
Now, coming in at number 6 is the Toiger, a tiger-looking breed of cat. It was a cross between the standard Bengal and a striped domestic shorthair. It is actually pretty hard to find this breed of cat outside of the US. They are very playful, loving, and bond pretty easily. They also use their camouflage to hunt small animals, so you can expect to wake up one morning with a dead mouse in your shoe.
Number 5.
Now, coming in at number 5 is the Burman cat, the most attractive cat breed with striking colorization. It got introduced into Europe and the US in the 20th century. It started as a pure white cat, but then started developing darker color on its face, ears, and on its legs. Now, this cat, it's not particularly physically active. Some may even call it lazy.
Number 4.
Coming in at number 4 is the Siamese cat, the one that no one can trust. Having more communication power than any other cat breed in the world, they can attempt to communicate to you through different sounds and tones, varying in great conformity and complexity. The Siamese cat has been known to cry like a baby. Dependent on your situation and your attention, they will also follow you around adamant.
Number 3.
Coming in at number 3, you've got the ragdoll cat. They are a semi-long hair cat with blue eyes. They are playful. They will also follow you around all of the time. They will also greet you at the door like a guard dog. And they will also be very smart and able to hide their claws when they play with you.
Number 2.
Coming in at number 2 is the Maine Coon cat, also known as the American Longhair. Largest domestic cat breed in the world they are, yes. They are a cross between the semi-wild and domestic cats. They are known to be super loyal. They have a high resistance to water and cold. They understand humans better and are well behaved. They show their affection through the variety of chirps.
Number 1.
And coming up as number 1 is the Persian cat. Now this is no surprise. It's a very famous type of cat. One of the oldest and most popular cat breeds in the world, breeded in Persia. Extremely affectionate, and they demand your attention at all times. Most people like them because they are quiet and calm. Now, I also have an honorable mention, of course. There's me, the tuxedo cat, where we're always dressed to the nines in a tuxedo, of course, because we are very rich, very intelligent and lovable, and yes, I may like to sleep and laze around and manipulate my humans, but that is what a good floof is supposed to do. Now, if you liked this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching.